In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a page using Elementor, a powerful and user-friendly tool for designing WordPress websites. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced web designer, learning how to effectively use Elementor can significantly enhance your ability to customize your web pages to better reflect your brand. To start, once you're in the WordPress dashboard, the first thing you want to do is navigate to the page you'd like to edit. Once there, look for and click on the option labeled Edit with Elementor. This action will open the Elementor editor, presenting you with an intuitive drag-and-drop interface where you can start modifying your page. Now, let's bring our focus to adding an image at the top of the page. Over on the left side of your Elementor editor, you'll see a panel filled with various widgets you can use. Look for the image widget. You might need to scroll a little down if you have a lot of widgets installed. Once you've found it, simply click and hold the widget, dragging it over to the top section of your page. When you do this, you'll notice a blue line indicating where the widget will be placed. Make sure it's positioned precisely where you want it, and then let go of the mouse to drop it there. With the image widget now on your page, it's time to add your custom logo. Selecting the image space will prompt a panel on the left displaying options like Choose Image, Delete, and Image Size. Click Choose Image, and this will open your media library if you already have your logo uploaded. Simply navigate through your existing images and select your logo. If you haven't uploaded it yet, you'll see another tab in the same panel that says Upload Files. Click on this tab, and then on the Select Files button. Navigate through your computer files to find your logo, click Open, and your logo will start uploading to your WordPress media library. Once uploaded, simply hit the Insert Media button. Now, your logo is positioned right at the top, providing the page with a branded professional look. You can also adjust the size and alignment if necessary by using the options found in the same left-hand panel. This step ensures that your brand's image is highlighted prominently, which is critical for both user experience and branding. Make sure to hit the green Update button at the bottom of the Elementor panel to save your changes. This step is crucial as it ensures your work is not lost and the new design is live on your site. That's all there is to it. You've successfully edited your page with Elementor by adding a custom logo image. Keep practicing with other widgets and features to continue improving your website. Thanks for watching, and happy design.